Are you ready for a fabulous Friday creation? And today it's a masculine idea. All the supplies I have used are listed in the information section below. Click the link, check out the blog, and order supplies so that you can create this great card. I have all the dimensions listed here, but they're also on the blog. For this card, we're starting with a card base of Seaside Spray. I put Smoky Slate, but it's Seaside Spray. I don't know what I was thinking. It's that S alliteration, I guess. All right, and I'm gonna use my bone folder for a crisp fold. All right. The next thing we need to create is our top and bottom so that we can stamp the center. So I have 2 pieces of crumb cake cardstock, and they are 1 by 4. I'm going to be using my crumb cake ink. I have pulled the sand speckles from the Seaside Notions stamp set, and I'm going to stamp those pieces. I'm going to grab a piece of scrap paper here to put them on because it's going to go over and I don't want it on my mat. All right, so I'm going to start stamping at the top. And then I'm going to stamp the bottom. And I'm kind of filling in where I need to. All right, when I got one done, then I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to do it the same way. I'm filling in the spaces. And just get a little bit there. All right, so our pieces are done, and I'm going to take, and then I have a piece of Whisper White, and it is 4 by 5 1/4, and these pieces go on the top and the bottom, and you have to put these on first, or you won't know where to stamp your lighthouse. And I think I'm out of glue again. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. All right, and I'm gonna change those out. Now, this piece goes down at the bottom, and it's even with the bottom and the sides. There's no extra. And this piece goes on the top the same way. All right. Now, from the Sailing Home, I'm going to be using the lighthouse, the seagulls, and then I also chose my sentiment, which is set sail in the direction of your dreams. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my lighthouse. And I was always used to, excuse me, red and white lighthouses. North Carolina, they don't have any red and white. They're white and gray. So using my markers, the gray granite, I'm going to do the rocks around the bottom because that's usually a granite of some kind. Then using basic gray, I'm going to do the bottom of the lighthouse. And I'm just coloring straight on the stamp. So I color it in. And then for the top, I'm using Smoky Slate. And again, you're just coloring the stamp in. Use the side of your marker when you color, not your tip, because you'll ruin your tip. So just kind of scrape it along on the side. And then you want to take your paper and you're going to put your lighthouse down to the left side. Give it a few seconds for the ink to transfer. Okay. Now you need your and I had them here. Oh, let me go get the seagulls. Okay, I have the seagulls, and I'm using basic gray ink, And I am again just stamping them across the top. Seagulls always fly in crazy directions. All right, so I have my seagulls added. All right, you need a scrap piece of paper, your sentiment, and your smoky slate ink. And you're going to stamp your sentiment on your scrap paper and leave yourself some edge because you're going to punch it out. And I stamped it upside down, but that doesn't matter because it's not on our card. All right, so I have that stamped. Now, I'm using the 1 3/8 inch circle punch. You can easily use the layering circles, dies, whatever you're comfortable with. But I like the punches because they're quick and easy. And you're going to punch it out. And then I use the 1 1/2 inch circle punch and some smoky slate cardstock to punch out my circle. I am going to attach the two, and there's a little bit of an edge all the way around. I'm going to add some dimensionals to the back, like so. My pokey tool to take off the backs. Yeah, when I moved down here, I was going to do lighthouses, and I did some research, and I couldn't find a one down here that was red and white. That must be a northern thing. All right. This goes down in the corner, but oh, I don't want to put that on first. I want to put this on my card base. Good thing I caught that. I could have done it, but it would not be very easy to put down. All right, so add this to your smoky seaside spray card base. It goes there. Now you add your sentiment. Make sure you have it going the right way to your card base. And there you go. There's another idea for Fabulous Friday. If you are new to my channel, subscribe using the button below. You'll get notice when I upload a video, which I do quite often, and you don't want to miss my ideas. I share a lot. Have a great day.